Today we are going to discuss the profitability index. What is profitability index? It's a measure used to evaluate investment projects. Fine. Its purpose is to the helps the investors and the business compare different projects and prioritize those uh, with the highest potential returns. So let's suppose we have this cash flow for local restaurant, and these are the years, and these are the expected cash flows with this our required rate of return. So first of all, we have to find out the present value of the cash flows. Just find out this the present values cash flow divide by 1 plus your required rate of return, and just put your years above here. So this is our present value. Okay, I have to add the dollar sign because just for the copy paste. So this is our the present value of these cash flows. Now we'll find out the net present value, which is very easy. Sum of these values will be our present value to NPV. This is our NPV for these values. And now we have to find out the profitability index. This is the formula 1 plus the NPV divided by the cash flow at the investment time. So you can say at the year 0, this is our cash flow, and just put there uh, 1 plus your NPV. It's our NPV divided by our cash flow. This is our cash flow. Here's our NPV. Sorry, the PA, and we have to find out the decision now. So the decision is, if the profitability index is greater than 1, then show me the accept, otherwise reject the project. So this is now we have to reject it because it is less than 1. And let's suppose we have the required rate of return is 4, and still it's rejected. Let's suppose we have 7%, so we have to accept now because it is greater than 10. So this is how we made the decision in the financial management of how this project should be, and we should need to accept it or to reject it. Hopefully you have understood this, and I am going to share many of the financial management topics. Better to join our professional community. Goodbye.